Thank you. I thank the Honourable Member for the question. The Tavua water supply service coverage includes several elevated zones that experience intermittent water supply. I can provide those areas under this sketch which have been provided. These areas include Mataniwai Top, Balata Back Road, Corvo Road, 1 to 4, Yalando Top, Malele number 3. Due to their elevation, these communities rely on supplementary water cutting services provided on a request basis. These zones are primarily serviced by the Malele Reservoir, which becomes particularly vulnerable during periods when water levels drop to critical thresholds. This decline is typically caused by reduced raw water inflow from the Nasivi raw water pump station and reduction in water production at the Batukola water treatment plant. The inflow reduction is largely driven by extreme weather events impacting the Nasivi intake, the main source of raw water for the treatment facility. The Speaker, heavy rainfall and flooding can lead to sedimentation and debris accumulation, causing blockages at the intake structure and raw water pumps. On the other hand, prolonged droughts and significantly reduce the volume of water available for extraction as same source is used by the Batukola gold mine for water extraction for mine operations. These climate-related impacts not only hinder raw water intake, but also affect the efficiency of the treatment process. Of course, as already mentioned, the industrial activities nearby. Consequently, the volume of treated water available for distribution decreases, directly impacting supply to the dependent elevated communities as I've already identified. The situation highlights the urgent need for infrastructure upgrades and resilient measures to ensure the continuity and reliability of water services and climate-related disruptions. So, to address the ongoing water supply challenges in the affected areas, the Water Authority of Fiji has adopted both immediate and long-term strategies. Immediate measures, household water storage initiative, as part of WEF's customer service initiative and its commitment to improving service delivery in intermittent supply areas, ISA, WEF will be distributing 1,000-litre water storage tanks to households in the most affected communities. This initiative aims to strengthen household-level water storage capacity and improve resilience against supply disruptions. It reflects our ongoing dedication to a responsive customer-focused service and is intended to provide short-term relief. Even with this, I do encourage households in order to encourage self-sufficiency and independence by taking such initiatives themselves for matters such as water security. Long-term measures. WEF has launched a long-term infrastructure development project under its capital investment program, aligned with the Water Sector Strategy 2050. As part of this initiative, WEF has engaged a professional engineering consultant to design a new intake structure at Nasivi, Batukola. The primary goal is to improve the resilience, reliability, and operational efficiency of the raw water pump station. The new intake is being engineered to withstand extreme weather conditions, particularly heavy rainfall and flooding that currently cause blockages at the Nasivi intake and reduce inflow to the Batukola water treatment plant. Reference design for this pump station has been carried out in this last financial year, 2024-25, and a fund of 869,000 has been received under the next financial year to progress the detailed design and construction works. Estimated cost will be approximately $4 million for the whole project. Once completed, the upgraded intake infrastructure will significantly enhance the reliability of the Tavua water supply scheme and reduce the frequency and severity of water supply disruptions for the communities that we are discussing today. In addition, WEF is progressing plans to upgrade the existing Batukola water treatment plant under its 3-year development program. This upgrade is aimed at meeting and growing water demand driven by population and development growth in the Tavua area. Once completed, the upgraded facility will enhance system redundancy, provide additional capacity, and support service expansion. This combined approach, delivering immediate relief while investing in resilient and sustainable infrastructure moving forward, demonstrates the government's continued strategic commitment to improving water service delivery and building long-term resilience in our communities. Good night.